Welcome to the world of print on demand. Whether you're looking to start your own business or just make some extra income, print on demand is one of the easiest ways to get started with little to no upfront investment. In this video, we're diving into the must-sell print on demand products for beginners that have big profit potential. Let's turn your creativity into cash with the top products that customers are buying right now. First, a quick overview of why print on demand is so popular. With print on demand, you don't have to hold any inventory. Instead, a supplier prints and ships the product for you after a customer orders. This means you only pay for products when you make a sale, keeping your startup costs low and your risks minimal. Let's start with the most popular and profitable print-on-demand products to sell this year. Starting off with the classic t-shirts. Custom t-shirts are the backbone of print-on-demand because they're popular, profitable, and perfect for personalization. Niche designs are performing really well. Think of unique designs for hobbies, pop culture references, funny sayings, or even seasonal themes like holidays or special events. For example, focus on trending niches like sustainability, mental health, pet lovers, or fitness. These are designs that connect with people emotionally, which means they're more likely to buy. Next up, hoodies and sweatshirts. With the athleisure trend, people love comfy, stylish hoodies. These items have a higher profit margin than t-shirts and are especially popular in the fall and winter months. Design options can be similar to t-shirts, but aim for designs that are a bit more detailed or bold to stand out on larger fabric. Here's a tip: oversized text designs, minimalistic graphics, and retro themes are super popular right now. And because they're seen as premium items, you can set a higher price point. Mugs are another print-on-demand favorite. They're affordable to produce, easy to ship, and incredibly versatile. People buy them as gifts, for personal use, and even as collectibles. Focus on catchy phrases, holiday themes, and niche interests. Think about cat mom or plant dad designs. Personalized mugs are a huge hit, especially during holidays like Christmas, Mother's Day, and Valentine's Day. And remember, mugs are bought year-round, so this is a great product to have in your lineup. Another hot item is custom phone cases. With phones being such a personal accessory, people love to show off their personality with unique cases. Popular themes for phone cases include aesthetic patterns, monograms, motivational quotes, and trending symbols like astrology signs or nature scenes. Since different phone models require different cases, make sure to offer a variety of models. Also, research current design trends. For instance, abstract art and minimalist patterns are really popular. Eco-friendly and practical, tote bags are one of the best-selling print-on-demand items. With the rise of sustainable fashion, people love reusable, stylish bags for everyday use. Design themes that work well on tote bags include empowering quotes, botanical illustrations, minimalist designs, and even fun puns. Tote bags have a great profit margin, and they're especially popular with younger audiences. Plus, they make fantastic gifts, so they're in high demand around holiday seasons. Posters and wall art are perfect for people looking to decorate their homes or offices. With the rise of remote work, demand for unique, stylish wall art is booming. Popular categories include motivational quotes, abstract art, maps, and custom family or pet portraits. Here's a tip: try offering different sizes and options like framed or unframed to appeal to a broader audience. This is a fantastic product if you have a good eye for design or want to work with graphic artists. Alright, now that you know what products to sell, here are a few insider tips to help boost your sales as a print-on-demand beginner. Focus on niche markets. The more specific your niche, the easier it is to attract the right customers. Instead of just targeting t-shirt buyers, try pet lover t-shirts or funny teacher mugs. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest are great for showcasing your designs and connecting with potential buyers. Use trending hashtags and post regularly to get your designs seen. Quality over quantity. Rather than launching dozens of designs, focus on a few high-quality, well-designed products. Test what works and scale up based on what your audience loves. Run promotions around holidays. Mugs, t-shirts, and wall art make great gifts, so run seasonal promotions for holidays like Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, and Christmas to drive sales. Invest in good mock-ups. High-quality, realistic mock-ups can make a huge difference in your product's appeal. Show your designs on real-looking products and lifestyle settings to give customers a better idea of what they're buying. And that's a wrap. Now you know the best print-on-demand products for beginners and how to get started with big profit items that are in high demand. Remember, the key to success is finding a niche, understanding your audience, and creating designs that stand out. With a bit of creativity and effort, you can start turning your print-on-demand shop into a successful business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and strategies to boost your online business. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your print-on-demand journey.